Hello there, welcome to our channel logging once again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your OneDrive account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your OneDrive account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in OneDrive.com like this and hit enter. And or you can just simply search for OneDrive login on the Google like this, and you can see office.live.com of OneDrive on the first result of Google. Click over there, and from the website we are on the home page of Microsoft. Now to log into your OneDrive account, simply let's switch the language to international English. And now to log into your OneDrive account, you can see the person icon on the top right corner of your screen. Click over there where it says sign into your account, and after that you will be taken to the login page of Microsoft OneDrive. Similarly, over here we are on the login page of OneDrive too. Let's close one of these. And now to log into your OneDrive account, you'll be required to enter your email address over here like this and this format. And let's hit our next, and after that let's hit our password. And if you forgot your password, or if you have forgotten your password, simply click on forgot password to go through a procedure to retrieve your password. Now let's click on sign in, and after that let's click on no, and let's not save the password for now. And there guys, we have successfully logged into our OneDrive account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.